In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up bad data in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Keeping your CRM tidy saves time, boosts accuracy, and makes your reports far more reliable. We'll walk through a quick built-in way to find potential issues so you can review and fix them fast, without combing through records one by one. Start by heading to the top right corner of your Pipedrive account and clicking your profile icon. It's the small avatar that opens your account menu. From there, choose Company Settings. If you're part of a team, you may need admin access to see everything here. So if you don't see this option, check your permissions with your workspace admin. Inside Company Settings, look to the left-hand pane and select Usage. This section brings together tools related to how your account is being used across the workspace. Next, open the Data Cleanup tab. This is where Pipedrive automatically scans your database and flags items that may need your attention. Think of it as a smart checklist generated from your actual records. Give it a moment to run. You'll see warnings or suggestions appear, grouped by what Pipedrive detects, things like potential duplicates, missing key details, or fields that don't quite match your data structure. Nothing is changed automatically at this stage. It's simply surfacing what might be worth a closer look. When you're ready, select one of the warnings. Pipedrive will link you directly to the specific entity or data point that could use correction or review. This deep link is a time saver because it jumps to the exact place where action is needed. Once there, review the details carefully. You can correct typos, fill in missing information, or merge entries if they represent the same person or organization. Be sure to confirm that you're editing the right record before saving, especially with similarly named contacts. After handling one item, return to the Data Cleanup tab and repeat for any other warnings you want to address. You don't have to fix everything at once. Even a couple of quick cleanups can noticeably improve the quality of your pipeline and reports. If you don't see many warnings, that's a good sign your data is already in solid shape. And there you go, with just a few clicks, from your profile icon to company settings, into usage, and over to data cleanup, you can quickly spot and resolve issues that slow down your sales process. That's all.